Welcome, today we're going to show you how to install Realtek high definition audio drivers. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open the start menu and search for device manager as you from here. Open it, and now from here you will see all the drivers. So from the sound, video and game controllers, if you don't find your Realtek audio or if you want to update it, here's how to do that. You need to search for Realtek audio drivers, and from here you will find all the websites for Realtek high definition audio drivers. Also, there's realtek.com as you from here. So you can enter the website for your specific laptop. Like if you have Asus device, you can enter Asus website and search for Realtek drivers. Also, if your laptop doesn't have specific Realtek definition audio driver, you can just go for Realtek website as you from here and search for your own drivers. So as see from here, if you have Dell laptop, you can enter a link like this, and after that from here you can just download the latest version for your laptop model. So you can just click on download from here, and after that you can just install it. So after the download finishes, you can just open it, and now the new drivers will install for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.